Okay, once more again, you are welcome back again to the channel. I want to teach you on how to unblock friends on Facebook. Many are finding it difficult to unblock people that they have been blocked on Facebook. Okay, it's very simple and understandable. You click on these three dots, you click on settings, you click on profile settings, you click on blocking. So these are the people that I blocked. These people are in my block list. So if I want to unblock the first person, I'll just tap here now. While you are waiting, please like the video, comment on the video. If you do not understand, comment below. I will help you out. So I will click on unblock. I'll click on unblock. The first person has been unblocked. So if I want to unblock this person, I'll click here. Unblocked. So you have to read these things. Here it says, if you unblock this person now, he may be able to see your timeline and contact you, depending on your settings. Tasks that you and the person previously added of each other may be restored. You have to wait for 48 hours if you want to block the person back. So that's the information.